What's all about?
Well, Nimbus is all about video conferencing. We are a hosted service here in the Philippines, which we have the NTC license to operate here in Manila.
What are the specific products and services that you offer the market?
Well, our service is more into SAS, SaaS, software as service, which really the main focus is to provide video conferencing hosted here in the Philippines.
What is the unique value proposition that you offer your clients, sir?
Well, the unique value proposition, we are, as I've said, the first NTC license here in Manila, which we are partnered in Singapore, which really, our technology right now naman is very advanced. So the SaaS, software, the service software capability really, that would one point for the proposition.
Why will consumers go to you and get your solution, sir?
I'm sorry, when?
Why will consumers go to you and acquire your solution, sir?
Well, one of which really benefits like more into the expense for the travel expense, the airfare, plus yung time, you have to maximize the time, which really you can use your meeting or trainings more into video conference talaga.